Day 2 of the challenge is graphite, pens, and ink washes. Now you could use coffee or tea as your washes in this as well, strong coffee or strong tea, but I've got some watered down indie ink and some distress ink that I'm going to try. So, various types of graphite pencils here, and art graph stick I've got. So I'm just going to make some lines and do some washes and mess around, see what happens. I don't think there's a difference between these, even though their shape is different. Some of these things hang out in our drawers and containers, and we just never kind of use them. So this is a good exploration to see what these different marks and tools do. Maybe we have some favorites. Maybe there's ones that we don't like and we no longer even want to keep. So it's just a good way of getting to know your materials. So that's different graphites. And I have a Sharpie fine marker here, so it's watertight. And then I have, I think that's the same. Yeah. This one, however, is non-permanent. The next thing I'm going to do is drop on some of this distressed ink and see what it looks like. It's been hovering around in my cupboard. So I'm going to get a brush wet and just manipulate and move that around. That's actually really nice. I've got some white tape around the edge this time. Okay, so you can see my graphite is moving a little bit. Just getting some gradations in it, and this was my non-permanent marker, but it doesn't smear too much actually. I have some diluted India ink. I'm just going to roll that off. Okay, that's traveling a bit there. So ink can behave quite a bit like watercolor, in the sense that it moves around a lot. It gives you that kind of impression. Getting a lot of glare happening here. Let's just move this around a bit. Tip and tilt. See what happens. So I'm going to try some Higgins drawing ink here. Again, it's something I've had in my cupboard for a while. So just pure black. Just drawing with it. Get a little bit more darks. Let's see. I'm going to dry this and see if it needs anything else. I'm going to come in with a bit more ink here and just use a watercolor brush and try and get a little bit more depth of color in places. And I'll try a little bit more dark ink now that this is dry. So I'm going to leave that at like this and let it dry and then pull the tape off. So now this is dry, I am going to take the tape off. Again, I'm getting a little bit of pull up. I'm going to try and save this tape so I can use it on the next one. Let's see, this is on top. So there's my little graphite and ink and pens. So 3 mediums, and yeah, just something simple, little experiment. I got reacquainted with this distressed ink that I have a bit in a bottle, so that was quite fun. I love doing ink drawing on the top layer. It's just satisfying to have that contrast and a little bit of bleed. I hope you enjoyed that.